A bit of a clarification for those of you who don't know, but self-cocking refers to the lever mechanism connected to the steel bars that pull back the string. It's not like something magic, that's just what it is. So to make this, I didn't really do anything like super special, and I don't mean like blueprints or anything, because I just looked at an image of the crossbow, and then, you know, it's pretty simple how it works. It's just a lever connected to two hooks. So I made that out of plywood, and here are the details. If I were to do this again, I would make the lever arm a bit longer because it's kind of short. You can only get like 3 fingers. And this is held in by magnets when it's not being held in by the bow. 2-piece trigger. Like on most of my pistol crossbows, I do 2-piece triggers. Made out of aluminum. Powered by rubber. Just a sheet metal spring, paracord string, and a fiberglass bow, which is pretty cool. I guess, I mean, there's this, which is kind of sketchy, but it works pretty good. So I'm pretty sure you just want to see it shoot, so I'm going to show you that. So far I don't have any real bolts, I'm just shooting pencils, but it works pretty good with that. Oh, also a second channel with more like engineering relating stuff and electronic stuff. Last thing I made was a taser gauntlet, so if you want to see that, I'll link it and comment and stuff. But I'm gonna be coming out with another video soon for the bolts for this, as well as a rubbered version that uses rubber bands or just rubber in general instead of a bow. I think it'll be a lot easier than this sketchy attachment point here. So be ready for that. Also, the Winter Soldier arm build, how's it going? Well, I got this far and then I got extremely bored trying to engineer and prototype all the pieces. So this is where it stands for now, but I may continue it in the future, and I have a bunch of footage from that, so it should be a pretty good video if I ever finish it. Also, the channel that has a different name though, I kind of just think it fits it better. And here as a bonus, I'm just gonna try and shoot 2 rounds in a reasonable amount of time. I started off this thing crouching, but so if I don't fumble with the pencil, there's one. You know, I gotta fix the trigger because my trigger's a little messed up, and then here's 2. Not bad.